Every Christmas in my family started with the sound of laughter in the kitchen and the aroma of something special. But one Christmas, everything changed. My mom fell ill and couldn't cook. It was the first time I realized the true power of food, not just to nourish, but to bring people together. That year, I decided to take on the challenge of creating a dish that could actually make my mom smile, even though she wasn't cooking. And that was coconut chicken fried rice. And today I'm sharing that recipe with you. But there's a twist to this story. You won't see it coming. Just stay with me. I want you to picture this. It's Christmas Eve, and the younger version of me is nervously standing in the kitchen. I didn't even know where to start, but I remembered my mom always said, start with fresh ingredients and you'll never go wrong. So I began slicing bright red bell peppers, fresh carrots, and seasoning chicken. I could hear my siblings laughing in the living room, but inside I was scared because what if I ruined Christmas dinner? As I poured the creamy coconut milk into a bowl, I whispered, Mom, help me get this right. That's why this dish is more than just rice and chicken. It's actually my way of saying thank you to my mom for always teaching me everything that I know about food. Now comes the fun part, bringing the ingredients to life. I heated the oil in the pan just like I'd seen my mom do 100 times, and I added the chicken. The sizzle was like a Christmas carol, filling the house with its own melody. But then disaster struck. I forgot to lower the heat, and the onions began to burn. Panicking, I remembered something my mom always said: cooking is like life. It's not about perfection, it's about how you fix your mistakes. So I started again, this time slower and even more mindful. The onions, garlic, and spices blended perfectly. That little lesson taught me something bigger. In life, mistakes can turn into memories if you let them. As the rice joined the mix, I realized the dish needed something extra, something to make it truly unforgettable. So, going through the spice cabinet, I found a jar of nutmeg. I hesitated for a moment, but hearing my mom's voice in my head, a pinch of something unexpected can actually turn ordinary into extraordinary. I trusted her wisdom and added a small sprinkle. The aroma that filled the kitchen? Magic. Today, I still believe that nutmeg is what made this dish special, and also the coconut milk. And every time I cook it, it's like she's standing beside me, guiding my hand. When the dish was ready, I carried it to the table with shaky hands. My siblings looked a bit skeptical, and I'll admit I was too. But then the first bite, and that silence, then smiles, then laughter. That coconut chicken fried rice became the highlight of our Christmas dinner, a symbol of love, resilience, and connection. And from that moment on, it wasn't just a dish, it became a tradition. Even now, when I cook it, I feel like I'm back in that kitchen on Christmas Eve, surrounded by my family and the memory of my mom's teaching. So today I'm sharing this recipe with you, not just for the flavors, but for the story. Whether you're cooking for your family, your friends, or just for yourself, remember this: food isn't just about feeding the body, it's about feeding the soul. And who knows, maybe this coconut chicken fried rice will become part of your Christmas story too. Let me know in the comments what traditions you're keeping alive this season. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this. And as always, don't forget to share this with someone. And I wish you all an amazing Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Don't forget to share. This really tasted so good. Just take a look at that. It was really delicious. And trust me, this is something that your guests and family members will love for a long time. Merry Christmas.